There is so much to learn when you start sewing, and specialized sewing machines like a Serger and Coverstitch can be an absolute game changer when you're making your own clothes. They make it fast and easy to finish your projects and sew knits like a pro, but they can also be really intimidating to approach on your own for the first time. I'm Heather Liu, and here at Closet Core Patterns, it's our mission to demystify the scary parts of sewing and fill you with the confidence you need to make whatever you can dream up. In our Serger and Coverstitch Basics class, we want to get you excited to use these machines every day. And we're doing that by focusing on the skills and techniques that you'll actually use every time you sit down to sew. In the first section of this class, we'll focus on a serger or overlocker. These machines are indispensable when it comes to sewing knits and trimming and finishing regular seams. I'll walk you through everything that you need to know to approach a serger with confidence, from properly threading different styles of machines to the need-to-know stitches you'll actually use. I'll offer help for troubleshooting and maintaining your machine when it's acting up, and all the secret serger tricks we use here in the studio to get gorgeous results. In the second section, we'll explore the cover stitch machine, which gives you professional looking double and triple rows of top stitching and is super useful for sewing knits. I'll show you how to quickly add this machine to your arsenal, from easily threading and operating it to exploring different stitch types and understanding how to fix any potential problems you might encounter. Finally, in the last section, we'll apply everything that we've learned by sewing a classic wardrobe staple from start to finish using both a serger and a cover stitch machine. Together, we will sew the marine dress and top, which is only available to students of this class, to make a Breton-style boat neck tee and put all of your serging and cover stitch skills to use on a really beautiful garment that you will be proud to wear. Best of all, as a student in a Closet Core class, you get exceptional support throughout your learning journey. In our private class forum, you can ask questions, get help from our team, and connect with your fellow students. So, stop being scared of your serger. Join us in this class and learn how to put these amazing machines to use.